guys, welcome to the top 4 apps to learn languages very fluent. Top 4 is MEMRISE. MEMRISE is one of the best you could ever find in the Google Play Store. It is one of the fluent, it's like what user friendly. As you can see, it is you could get an option to pick language and sign in. If you pick up the languages, you will get around 15 plus languages, which you would truly love the collections. It got around many of the finest languages you could ever get, and it would teach you very interactive way which you can understand it pretty well. And it gives an option of beginner and intermediate. If I am on beginner, I go for beginner, and you should log in through your Facebook as well as from your Google. You could set a reminder on it, and it will also give a pro version, premium version of it. You could buy it if you need it to understand as it gives a tutorial session. In that you could see as it will be a conference between like a video as well as the word is appearing on the screen, and its translated version is also on the downwards. And you could see you could get as well help if you are unable to understand the word, which is quite complicated. And they will also conduct some kind of quiz where you got offer options, you have to select the right one, and it would be a quite a fun like what funny feeling, and you learn it very quite good. And coming to its interface, I would just say it's quite simple, damn good. And you could see that it's got interface around it. You can also get you can also buy some of the courses which you need, which you would like to make it as a profession. It got many severe like what you call possibility through grammar, and as well as getting to the corrections very quite good. Its profile is quite simple and is unique, and it got phrases and sounds which as you can also buy the premium one, which is for 12 months, cost you best, and it's going to give you the better quality than any other. Coming to top 3, that is BUSUU. BUSUU is quite a better app which you can never find in other stores. It got but only disadvantage is that it got only 10 to 12 languages. You could select any one of them. You could use them differently, and it is quite attractive even. I tell you why did I put it in the third position, because it got a wide variety in teaching, and as well as it works on your vocabulary, and as well as you could be socialized with other people. You got to learn from others also. It would others would try to help you with your learning, and you could also, if you are fluent with English, you are fluent with other languages, you could just help others. You get a rating stats about how fluent you are in the language which you are learning, and as well as the language which you want to help others. This is quite a bit app which makes you socialize with others, and you can learn the best of your abilities. You could learn everything in require one medium. Coming on in top 2, you could see Duolingo. Duolingo is the best app you could ever see. I would personally recommend you to use that app. Yes, man, you could have to just go on. If you have an account, use it. Because I'm already using this account, I personally prefer you to use this. The best feature is just you got many languages. You could see in numerous languages. You could get any languages around the world in just one app, and even it's quite simple and best app you would ever see. It is compatible in every devices. I'm just scrolling right now. There are many apps you could see, and it would have you while you're learning the app. I mean, while you're learning the language, any of things which you want to talk to the family, traveling, or for any job opportunities. You could take priorities on these purposes, and you could set a time. You set a time to learn daily for 10 to 15 minutes. You could change it whenever you want, and you could continue. You could act like it's gonna ask you're the beginner or the intermediate. As you could continue, you could just take a trial, and the trial would help you a lot. And you could add many languages. You could learn multi languages in just one app, and through continuous 10 to 15 minutes of session. And there are even checkpoints which keeps a record of your learning, and the interface gives you the stats about your daily learning, and it goes ups and downs, it depends on your learning. And it also gives a competitive edge to putting a leaderboard in there. and it has many cool features which you need to check it out, and it's quite interactive and you would surely definitely love it. And I'm assuring you, I'm personally using it for many days and it's going to make your mind blow. I will surely assure that. Coming on to top one, I will talk phrase and wordings, you could say that whichever app you use, not get the feeling that you're learning language through personal. This is the app which gives you the personal app and interacting with real people. It has many languages as compared to this got many languages. This happens in alphabetical. You just search, scroll it, and select and start your learning. And as a result, people can learn from actual people. You could select a beginner, send the details in. Be sure to fill the details, get select which region you are, which native language is yours, and as well as which stage you are in the beginning, which language you have to learn at that stage. And it comes with a very good interface. It is quite easily accessed and it's quite free. The actual package is free. The best part is you could have you could also get some app purchases to get forward in the future. You could see the actual people are there in this app, and these people, you could also share moments which you are learning the people, so you could share it through your concern, like just like a social media you could put in the feed. See, you could also learn through many languages, and you can also buy, there is in-app purchases too, but the most of the learning is quite free, and the interface is quite flexible, and as well as got many options, and you can also interact with live people. That's the best part you could ever see. And you actually text, you can also get a translator over here also, and this one is the best you got, and I would surely recommend